Hey everyone, welcome to Social Meet and a very happy Teachers' Day to each and every one of you. In India, we celebrate Teachers' Day on the 5th of September every year. It's also a day that marked the birthday of the second president of India, Mr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was born on the 5th of September 1888, and we have been celebrating Teachers' Day every year since 1962. So to all the teachers out there, happy Teachers' Day once again, and cheers. Hope you enjoyed this video.
To the one who's taught me ABC and 1, 2, 3. You also clean my nose. To my mom who'll beat my ass for my pride and wrongdoing. You're the best. To my friend who said she's using you, I say you're damn right. I'll be careful next time. To the cigarette I used to smoke, you raised your price. I stopped smoking you. Here we are in 2021. Happy Teachers' Day on a Sunday. Happy Teachers' Day to you. Happy Teachers' Day to all who teach us. Happy Teachers' Day to the world. To the watchman who taught you how to close your gate, go shake his hand. To the helper who taught you how to wash your plate, get her a raise. To the aunt who kept your secrets from your mom for so long, get her a gift. To the nature that's beautiful and wonderful, stop polluting it. Here we are in 2021. Happy Teachers' Day on a Sunday. Happy Teachers' Day to you. Happy Teachers' Day to all who teach us. Happy Teachers' Day to the world. Don't you worry, don't you worry. It's never too late. It's never too late. Have you called your teacher? Call them right now to wish them today. Happy Teachers' Day on a Sunday. Happy Teachers' Day to you. Happy Teachers' Day to all who teach us. Happy Teachers' Day to the world.
Thank you, and happy Teachers' Day to everyone.